Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Diploma in International Business course and this is our economy assignment. Before that, I would like to introduce my team members. The first one is me, Shabatrisha binti Muhammad Shahril. My task for this time is giving an introduction, acknowledgement, formulas, conclusion, and editing the whole video. The next one is Muhammad Daniel Hazim. He will be going to present question number 1. Nur Hayatul Husna will be presenting question number 2. Muhammad Danish will share to you about question 3. And Rajakan Shahar Shah will answer question number 4. So that is our task in completing this assignment. And this is our details or our student's ID number. So first of all, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to Madam Raza binti Osman, which is our economics lecturer, for her invaluable guidance and support in completing this assignment. Her advice and encouragement have been essential in helping us through the challenges and accomplish our objectives. Thank you for your dedications and commitment to our success. So these are the types of elasticity for demand and supply. Under elasticity, we have 2, which is demand and supply. Under demand, we have 3, which is price elasticity, income elasticity, and cross elasticity. While under supply, we just have 1, which is price elasticity. These are the 4 important formulas that we will usually use in this topic to search price elasticity of demand, price elasticity of supply, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity. For this assignment, we need to solve 4 questions that were given by our lecturer. And of course, the questions need the formula to be solved. Let's see how my team members do it.
Firstly, we have to identify the initial quantity and the new quantity, the initial price and the new price. So the Q1 is 240 units and the Q0 is 200 units. The P1 is 7 ringgit and P0 is 10 ringgit. So we apply this into formula. 240 minus with 200 divided by 200 multiply with 10 divided by 7 minus with 10. So we will get the percentage of changes in quantity multiply with the percentage of changes in price. And then we will get the elasticity, which is negative 0.67. Since the value of elasticity is less than 1, we classify this as inelastic demand. Now, let's picture with the graph. This graph illustrates the demand curve for our product, showing how price affects quantity demanded. On the vertical line, we have the price in RM, and on the horizontal line, we have the quantity demanded in units. The first point at P0 is RM 10 ringgit and the quantity is 200, shows the initial price and the initial quantity. The second point at P1, which is RM 7 ringgit and Q1 is 240 units, the new price and the new quantity demanded.
When the price decreases from 10 ringgit to 7 ringgit, the quantity demanded increases from 200 units to 240 units. Since the increase in the quantity is less than the percentage of price drop, we conclude that this demand is inelastic. So consumers are not strongly responsive to the price change. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hayatul Husna binti Faiz. I am going to explain about price elasticity of supply. So the first question, we have to calculate the price elasticity of supply for smartwatches based on this scenario. So the formula has already given. We just need to fill in the formula with those units in price using the formula given. By the end of the calculation, you'll get 2 ringgit and 3 cents. So next we are going to do a graph using a graph paper. So using a scale 100 because it's easier for you to measure the value, the price, the units and so on. So we are going to plot the old supply, quantity supply, and new one, the new elasticity of supply. So the old one, you have to plot on 700 ringgit and 600 units. And then the other one, the new one, is 500 ringgit and 250 ringgit. So when you have plot those coordinates, you have to draw a line. After you draw a line, you have to write at the end of both line S that means for supply. And also don't forget the title of the graph, which is elasticity of supply.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Danish bin Muhammad Rasmani. My ID number is 240700153. Today I'm going to be talking about income elasticity of demand. For question number 3, part 1, in my opinion, the statement above is correct because luxury goods typically have increased income and it leads to bigger percentage increase in demand. Examples of type of luxury goods is like sports cars, for example, like Gucci. Those are like luxury goods. Part 2, I have done my calculation. You can see it's probably on the screen right now. Part 3, the type of product above is normal goods because they have a positive correlation between income and demand. And the examples of normal goods is food, clothing, and appliances. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rajikin Shasha Merajinasha. I'm from class DIB 1A and my student ID number is SIB 24070-206. So I will be answering question number 4, that is cost elasticity of demand. So right now I'm going to give you my explanation and my answer for the question. A competitor's software tool reduces its price from RM75 to 65. As a result, the downloads for your company productivity app decreases from 7,000 to 3,000. So now I'm going to give you the explanation of the phenomenon. The situation illustrates positive cost elasticity of demand, which occurs when two products are substituted. When the price of the competitor's software tool decreases, it becomes more attractive to consumers, leading them to switch from your app to the competitor. This suggests that the two products serve similar purpose and are interchangeable for customers. Therefore, the price drop of the competitor's software causes a significant drop in the demand for your app. In this case, the cost elasticity of demand would be positive, meaning that as the price of the competitor's products decreases, the demand for your product also decreases. This confirms that the products are close substitutes. So now I'm gonna give you impact on future marketing strategy. So the first one is price matching or adjustments. Since your app and the competitors' tools are substitutes, consider either reducing your app's price to remain competitive or offer temporary discounts during periods when the competitors lower its price. So the second one is differentiation. Instead of focusing solely on price competition, companies should emphasize the unique features of your app that the competitor product lacks. This could include enhanced usability, exclusive features, or better customer support. The third one is loyalty programs. Implementing customers' loyalty programs such as subscriptions, discounts, additional service could help retain users even if the competitors lower their price. So the last one is targeting a different market segment. If the competitor's price decreases, that's budgets conscious users, your company could focus on users who prioritize quality, features, or premium services. So that's all for me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.
I think that's all from us. I hope everyone can enjoy with our presentation. Thank you and see you again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.